Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 consumes less battery than Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 is significantly more battery efficient than the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. Here is a breakdown of battery efficiency improvements. 4 nm versus 5 nm manufacturing process. The 8 Gen 2 uses a more advanced 4 nm process compared to the 5 nm of the 8 Gen 1. This translates to smaller transistors and lower power consumption for the same level of performance. Improved core configuration. The 8 Gen 2 features a new 1x Cortex-X3, 4x Cortex-A710, and 3x Cortex-A510 core configuration, optimized for both performance and efficiency. In contrast, the 8 Gen 1 has 1x Cortex-X1, 3x Cortex-A78, and 4x Cortex-A55 cores. Enhanced Adreno GPU. The Adreno 740 in the 8 Gen 2 boasts a 65% increase in GPU performance while only consuming 19% more power compared to the Adreno 730 in the 8 Gen 1. This means longer battery life during graphics-intensive tasks like gaming. Other optimizations. Qualcomm implemented additional optimizations in the 8 Gen 2, such as a more efficient AI engine and improved power management algorithms, further contributing to better battery life. Reviews and tests. Several reviews and tests have shown that phones with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, like the Samsung Galaxy S2 III Ultra, consistently deliver longer battery life compared to those with the 8 Gen 1. Users have reported an additional 45 minutes to an hour of screen-on time in typical use cases. Thermal throttling. One major weakness of the 8 Gen 1 was thermal throttling, where the chip overheated and limited performance to conserve power. The 8 Gen 2 significantly improves thermal management, leading to sustained performance without sacrificing battery life. Based on available information, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 is a clear winner in terms of battery efficiency compared to the 8 Gen 1. If battery life is a major concern for you, choosing a phone with the 8 Gen 2 is recommended. It's important to note that actual battery life will vary depending on several factors like screen brightness, network connectivity, app usage, and individual user habits. However, the overall improvement in efficiency offered by the 8 Gen 2 is undeniable.